Deep within the rocks, in the heart of a vanadite mine, I discovered this rare gem. Its surface glistens under the light, as if hiding secrets from thousands of years ago. Vanadinite is a fascinating mineral, one of the main ores of vanadium. It forms in dry environments, often alongside leg minerals. Stone in my hand unique is its partial transparency and shades ranging from creamy white to pale yellow, giving it a natural elegance. This crystal formed over millions of years, the result of complex reactions between groundwater and the surrounding minerals in the rocks. Vanadinite is sometimes used in making strong metal alloys, but rare pieces like this are sought after by gemstone collectors. Its weight and shape suggest it may have once been part of a larger mass, separated by mining or natural erosion of the rock. Looking closely, you can see natural lines and tiny fractures, each one a unique fingerprint for this type of stone. In the rare stone markets, a piece like this can be highly valuable, especially if it is pure and free from major impurities. But for me, its real value lies in the journey that led me to it, and in the stories it could tell. Searching for gemstones in mines requires patience and passion, as every discovery is an adventure on its own. In the world of geology, vanadinite remains a witness to the ancient geological history of our planet. This was a glimpse into my discovered stone from the vanadinite mine, a piece of earth carrying the magic of nature and the thrill of discovery.